I am in Wakefield on a very sunny afternoon. I've been doing a bit of a tour of England today, just checking up on all our sites. This one in particular, this has just started, so I thought I'd take you on a little tour round. So, this is the property. It's in Wakefield on Westgate, which is the name of the train station. So when you come out of the station, it's literally just down here. So 5 minutes walk down here into this building. It's going to be, it's currently, it has been offices up here, retail down below. This chunk of it is not included within the freehold, so the actual building itself, the outline is there, along there, and then down. So what we're doing is converting this lot into residential, so it'll be 7 2-bed flats, and then downstairs it was retail and it will remain retail. It just needs a bit of tarting up, so a bit of paint, some repair work, and then we'll either let it out as it is, or if we can, split it into 2 to make it more attractive to more tenants, because it's actually quite large. So I will take you in and show you the plans. Currently got these guys out front doing the main strip out, so I'll try not to get hit on the way in. So currently this is the entrance to the retail part. What we will be doing, there's a door just there, that's going to be the entrance to the flats upstairs, so I'll show you that in a second. Just get to the plans back here. So this is the ground floor. We came in through that entrance there. I was pointing, let's focus that. This is the new entrance that people come in to go up the stairs into the flat. So that door is just around the corner there. Again, out of focus, there you go. Come in there, these stairs will be turned around, people will be going up there. There'll be a wall across there, so it'll be completely separate from the retail area, which is all of this lot. And then through that door, you can either go downstairs into the basement, which takes up the majority of this area, which I won't show you because there's no power at the moment. But yeah, it will remain as retail down there as well. It'll be part of the retail space. You can also go up the stairs onto the upper levels. So if I just show you the plans for the upper levels. This is the first floor, and it will be fairly similar to the second floor. So as you can see, so flat 1, it's all 2 beds. So flat 1, flat 2, then we have flat 3 there, flat 4. The floor above that is pretty much exactly the same, apart from it doesn't have this bit here. This was a plant room, so we had to get planning permission, or we bought the property with planning permission, to convert that into residential. The rest of it came under permitted development because it was offices, B1 offices, and whilst we do have to submit an application, it's not the whole planning process to convert offices into residential. So there were 2 separate applications, the permitted development and planning permission. So I'll show you what's been happening so far. As I said, the strip out's being done, so you can see all this stuff that's been pulled out. The false ceilings here and also upstairs have been pulled out. Miles and miles and miles of cables, electrics. Still trying to get rid of 2 massive safes upstairs. This was at one point a bank. Bless you! These are the 2 huge safes, they are monstrously thick. That's how thick they are. So they're sat on, there's RSJs underneath here, holding them up. Difficult thing is actually getting them out the building and finding someone to do that. So yeah, at the moment it's completely open. The wall will be going in about a month's time once all the strip out's done. First fix electrics and first fix plumbings are going in about 2-3 weeks time, so we just need to make sure everything's stripped out first. We've got air conditioning units which we won't keep. This is the plant room I showed you downstairs. So this is the beginning of it. It also goes through here. I'm not sure you'll be able to see the little darkness. So yeah, that needs to be fully made watertight and also insulated. Take you through here. The stairs I was pointing going up are these ones, so go down there into the shop there or further down there into the basement. So if we come up the stairs, at the moment there's toilets there, understairs area, and then come up the stairs here onto the next floor. That lovely blue sky. This was a plant room. There were big tanks here, but it's been taken down, so that fed and gave the pressure to the rest of the building. And you can see the strip out work that's been done here. There's so much stuff. It's surprising because when we first came round, it was fairly empty. It looked like there was not much to strip out, but all this has appeared from all the ceilings. You can see where the false ceilings used to go. Go around here, so pretty similar to downstairs. And here as well. So we did, if I just take you to the window, the building you can see just here, that is the plant room coming out here. We were considering putting in planning for another flat, so building up another level. Literally just use timber frame, which is really light and wouldn't necessarily need reinforcing, but it's the actual cost of doing that. It's not really worth it. The return we'll get from it doesn't really justify doing it in the first place. So leaving it as it is. So 7 2-bed flats and commercial downstairs. So this is the first update. Strip out be complete in about 2 weeks' time, which is when we'll start the first fix. Electrics and plumbing, and then move on from there. At the moment, the challenges are to do with CIL and VAT. So CIL, Community Infrastructure Levy, that's a fee payable to the council to contribute towards the betterment of the area. It's not always payable, and in this specific situation, it's not payable. We just need to gather evidence to prove to the council that it's not payable. But that was about £20,000 that we had to spend, or that we will have to spend if we can't find that evidence. As which, when we bought the property, we were told very last minute by the vendors that VAT was payable, which is not great because that was an additional 20k onto the purchase price. So. One of the other challenges we're doing at the moment is trying to understand the tax system. We've got a consultant, a VAT expert, who's letting us know what we can do and how we can do it to not pay that VAT, because again, it shouldn't be payable in this scenario. Yeah, that's it. I will come back in a couple of weeks, give you another tour round. Hopefully there'll be lots of progress by then. In the meantime, see you soon. Bye.